Hey there! If you're looking for a comprehensive guide to a healthy diet plan for weight loss, you've come to the right place. You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about a healthy diet plan that will help you lose weight and keep it off for good. Section 1. The basics of a healthy diet plan. Let's start with the basics. A healthy diet plan for weight loss should include a variety of foods from all the food groups, including whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's important to choose nutrient-dense foods that are low in calories but high in essential vitamins and minerals. Portion control is also crucial, so be mindful of how much you're eating. Section 2. Healthy eating habits. In addition to choosing healthy foods, developing healthy eating habits is key to successful weight loss. Eating slowly, chewing your food thoroughly, and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals can help you make better food choices and avoid overeating. Drinking plenty of water, limiting sugary drinks, and avoiding late-night snacking can also support your weight loss goals. Section 3. Meal planning and preparation. Meal planning and preparation are essential for sticking to a healthy diet plan. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals and make a grocery list to ensure you have everything you need. Meal prepping can save time and money and can help you avoid unhealthy convenience foods when you're short on time. Section 4. Healthy recipe ideas. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. There are plenty of delicious and nutritious recipes out there that can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. In this section, we'll share some healthy recipe ideas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner that are easy to make and packed with flavor. As a gesture of appreciation for watching this video, I want to offer you something special. In the description below, you'll find 2 amazing resources to help you on your journey toward a healthier lifestyle. The first one is a fantastic plant-based cookbook that's full of delicious and nutritious recipes to help you eat more veggies and improve your overall health. The second is a 30-day keto meal plan that's designed to help you lose weight and boost your energy levels. Both of these resources are absolutely free, so be sure to check them out and let me know what you think. Section 5. Tips for long-term success. Finally, let's talk about some tips for long-term success. While a healthy diet plan can help you lose weight, it's important to make sustainable changes that you can maintain over time. Surround yourself with a supportive community, stay active, and focus on your progress rather than perfection. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to a healthy diet plan for weight loss. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it takes time and patience to achieve your goals. With the right mindset and a solid plan, you can achieve lasting success and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching.